In this video, you will learn how to find the mean, median, mode, and range. Let us look at the first example. I have a set of data for 11, 7, 15, and 8. Now let us guys start with finding the mean. The mean simply means that we need to find the average of these numbers. The formula for the mean equals sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. Sum of the numbers means we should add all these numbers together. So in this case, the mean equals 4 plus 11 plus 7 plus 15 plus 8 divided by the number of numbers. Now we should count how many numbers we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So simply divided by 5. Using the calculator, we get 9. Now it's your turn. Try to solve it, then check your answer. We have a set of data 70, 55, 42, 61, 33, 51, 19, and 39. So to find the mean, we simply add all these numbers together, divided by the number of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So simply divided by 8. Using the calculator, we get 46.25. Let us check the median. Simply guys, the median is the middle number in a data set when the numbers are arranged in order from smallest to largest. So let us check this example. We have to order them from smallest to largest. Let us do it together. So we'll start with 4, 7, 8, 11, and 15. The easiest way to find the median, guys, is to cancel one number from each end until we get to the number in the middle. Let us do it together. So we'll cancel the 4 with 15, 7 with 11. You will notice 8, there is no number that I can cancel it with. So in this case, the median for this example is 8. Now it's your turn. Try to solve this question and check your answer. So we will start with ordering the numbers from smallest to largest. So the first number will be 19, then 33, 39, then we have 42, 51, 55, 61, and 70. So to find the median, as we said, the easiest way is to cross out one number from each end. So we will cancel 19 with 70, 13 with 61, 39 with 55, and that's it, guys. Don't cancel these two numbers together, because if you cancel them, then in this case we will not have any median. So what we should do in this question, in this case, we just simply need to add these two numbers together and take the average of them. So we have to take 42 plus 51 divided by 2, which equals 93 divided by 2, which equals 46.5. Okay, so if you notice in the first example, we had how many numbers? We had 5 numbers. So we had an odd number, right? Odd number of numbers. So that's why we left with one clear median. But in this case, we had how many? I think these are 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We had 8 numbers. In the case of a set of data that has an even number, so you should take the average of the last 2 numbers. Now let us focus on the mode. The mode is the number that appears most often in a data set. The easiest way, guys, to do this is to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Let us start with the first example. So to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest, we will start with the 1, then 3. Let us cross the 1, cross the 3. We have 3 5s, so we have to cancel them. And I will have to write them 3 times. Then I have to write 7 and 2 9s. And as we said, the mode is the number that appears most often in a data set. According to this example, we will notice that number 5 is appearing 3 times. So in this case, The mode is 5. Now it's your turn. Try to solve this example, then check your answer. The first thing we have to do is to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. So first we have 11s, two 11s. Then we have 118. Then 23, 2 times. So 23 with 23. We have also 27. Then 36. 40, then 45, and 67. Now, we need to check the mode. The mode, again, as we said, is the number that appears most often in a data set. And according to these numbers, we will notice that we have 11 occurred or appeared 2 times, and we have also 23. So in this example, we have 2 modes, which are 11 and 23. Let us jump to example C. The first thing we have to do is to arrange the numbers. So let us do them together. We have 2 3s, we have 2 8s, and 2 10s, right? What we will notice here, we will notice that each number appears 2 times. So there is no number that appears more often than the others. In this case, we will conclude that here in this example there is no mode. Let us check the last one. So we'll start by ordering the numbers: 0, 7, 9, 12, 15, and 24. We will notice in this example, there is no number that appears more than once. So in this case, we have no mode. Okay? So no mode. Let us move on to the range. The range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So let us take example A. The largest number is 9 and the smallest number is 1. So to find the range, we simply subtract them. So 9 minus 1, which equals 8. And that's it. So let us check now example B. Try to solve it, then check your answer. So for example B, the largest number is 67 and the smallest number is 11. So simply we have to minus them together. So 67 minus 11, which equals 56. Okay, now let us jump to C. The largest number is 10 and the smallest number is 3. So we have to minus them together. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So this is the range. The last example, try to solve it, then check your answer. So the largest number is 24 and the smallest number is 0. So we have 24 minus 0 equals 24. And this is the range.